Moscow Grandster Fred have been sitting in his caucus and even conducting all the affairs. Cheer money campaign yae nendende Peter where na my UDA member of parliament. So a safari to what a safari and dampi. Let's be very careful. Ntoma isiko kuana kemosi istali to kuana. Moscow needs a lot of support. Mo maisko anya moiche bilero yotota etetua assist ya basonye campaign kere bogirango kemosi na ngobolu muisonde. Why don't you go and support Moscow Fred Nyasiongo? Na seki mutaenda mu support umwana olia oliotenenegara. Let's do that. Yani haitoshi nendete isaini no ana asini unamwaga nyagero Fred yago ije mwamanya kuanza kumosungo omoskoyo ayete mugusunga yo. I sent you money yesterday. Is that not the case? Then I better go support because I know he's a friend. Yeah? Na band. Omoskoyo yoko rubungaro ungaro simama. Omoskoyo nije na mwiro Fred Matiang'i. Tani nije na koiroro. Teba ego seaye. So, Moscow Fred, and I really want to say this. Abaska abami ndobo speed tigabadi ngechishati elinde barwe support. It's not enough. Ken is here. Na I don't know how much we have done. Asing inje Moscow Fred. Inje gonjole na UDA. Yeah, a U1 term. There's no problem with that. Lakini wana asenge incho nere na ni serikali ya runo wande bono iga waikansuke mpake dega yo mwari wasimande kwa bandwami. Again, totoke chete nendenge chete is pretense. Ekigyo wanya toko support Moscow tuwezi naba usitone inchi na bere ngo andakera asinade ono mugusigo ikai chama eline towa tutuare bageni power. Yeah, Kamos, you came from Kwana yesterday. You have not been around. I'm asking you, uko wapi? Yeah? So, you want to toa icheka toa ichire, yatobe kama sabai tutoro sia basani, tutofte njia yoko kono Moscow yo mingi.